ओके, त्यानंतर स्नेहल भाकरे.
Yes, sir.
ओके. नेक्स्ट लोखंडे पल्लवी.
Yes, sir.
एम ऑडिबल. ओके. शिंगारे प्रवीण.
Yes, sir.
ए स्वामी
Yes, sir.
आणि श्रीदेवी कांबळे.
Yes, sir. Karandi.
Okay, so sorry, Karandi. So are you ready with your posters? Hello, are you ready with your poster? So first of all, I will start from Arjun. Oh, sorry, Avinash Shinde.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so are you ready with your poster?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please start your presentation.
Yes, sir.
Meet presenter. Madam, let's come on, correct.
His screen is visible, sir.
Yeah, your screen?
Yes, sir.
No.
It's visible.
Visible?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay, so start, Avinash. Please start.
So good afternoon, all. I am Avinash Shinde, and on the occasion of Innovation Day, we are here for poster presentation. And I took the topic is innovative application of artificial intelligence. So starting with introduction. First of all, we see what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is the thinking or problem solving or decision making of program or a machine is called artificial intelligence. So we see the different application of artificial intelligence in that image processing, data interpretation, weather forecasting, like that. And these are the some applications like these are the application of digital virtual assistant like Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. These are the application of digital virtual assistant. So now we go for the Devil. Devil is a project which I am currently doing, which this project contain. This project can do multiple tasks using speech recognition system. In that, we give a specific command to that program, and it will give a particular output. Like it can play music, it can play video, it can open any software or application. Also, if we have any question and we ask, it can give answer of that. It can send email to any person. So these are the features which I had added in. So enter process, also image processing and weather forecasting will be the my next plan to add inside it. Weather forecasting is already added, which can in with
Peninsula cooler temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, humidity is 36% and sky is sunny.
So in weather forecasting, it tell about what is the weather of in a specific city. Means if we give the name of Solapur, so it will give the output as currently in Solapur the weather is current weather is sun is weather is cloudy, temperature what is the temperature, like that all things it will show. After that two more advanced application which I am going to present here, which is robotic teacher. Robotic teacher is the one concept which already going to implemented in some of the colleges or schools. In that robot one robot is going to teach student with the help of the software like with the help of this type of software like the virtual assistant. So it can explain PPTs, it can clear doubt of student, and also it will assist the teacher to solve their doubt. And last application of artificial intelligence is anti-malpractice. If you see the current exam issues, like many students are going to do malpractices. So according to with the help of image processing, we can take the help of image processing. With the help of image processing, we can see where the student is watching. According to that, we can find that he is doing malpractice or not. Also, is he really sit in front of camera or not? It can be also found with the help of image processing. And also with the help of image processing, we can detect the phone and main activities. So is he cheating? That activity we can found with the help of image processing. So that's all about my presentation. If you are having doubt, you can ask. Hello, sir.
Hello, Avinash.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, from participant, anyone are interested to ask a question to Avinash?
May I please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, continue.
What will be the scope of artificial intelligence in the 2050?
2050.
What will be the future? What will you see as in the artificial intelligence?
If you see nowadays, artificial intelligence goes in the beyond the limit. So it can find or it can be thinking like human. In 2050, with the help of AI, there may be chance of machine can do their code itself, and maximum amount of work of human has been replaced by machines. Likewise.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Avinash.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the different advantages of this artificial intelligence in nowadays?
Nowadays, first is the electric vehicle. If you see the example of Tesla, they are making self-driving car with the help of the artificial intelligence. So this will be a good example. Also in farming sector, means agriculture sector. Also, with the help of drone, we can spray insecticide on field with the help of artificial intelligence. Likewise, sir.
Okay. So, what are the limitations of this artificial intelligence? Limitations.
Limitation. It is difficult to code, sir.
Coding. Okay. Another one.
Another. Sorry, sir. I don't.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Can I stop sharing?
Okay. Okay. You can. Next. Next participant. Pallavi Shinde. Sorry, Pallavi Lokhande.
Hello, sir.
Pallavi Lokhande, na? Have you participated?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so continue.
Okay, sir. Hello, I am Pallavi Lokhande, here to present my poster. I made two parts of the future Earth facing. Global warming is one of the biggest problem the world currently facing. Temperature condition day by day increasing. And here we see vehicles are mostly used. That's why pollutions are increases. Industrial materials are thrown by in river and trees are cutting. That's why pollution is increasing, and due to that's why global warming is increased. And this part is showing green trees and clean air. Here showing renewable energy use cycles and stop to global warming. Do your part to stop global warming. What we can do for that to stop global warming? We use cycles or reduce, recycle. Try to cut down the materials that you buy and reuse the recycle once that you do if possible. Switch off your TVs, computers if you are not using them, and one do whatever small things for conserve energy. That's all. If anyone has question, then ask. Hello.
Okay. So, Pallavi, you have completed your presentation? Over, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So, from participant. You may ask your question. Anyone?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, please continue.
How COVID-19 affect on global warming?
Pallavi,
What?
have you got your
Can you
question?
repeat, please?
How?
No, sir, I can't.
So
Okay.
I'm repeat question. How global warming? How COVID-19 affect on global warming?
COVID-19 effect on. I can't study on that, but I can search and definitely I will try to answer.
Okay. So Pallavi,
Yes, sir.
so what is the major effects of global warming? Major effects.
Major effects, sir, due to industrial earth, sir, means cause the ice cap or levels of rise of cold, which cause major flooding or earth will become, means.
Okay. So global warming includes what types of factors? Which factors increases global warming? Have you got my question?
Hello, sir.
Ah,
Sir, can you repeat?
can you?
Hello.
You're not hearing my question.
No, sir.
Okay, so global warming contains what types of factors? म्हणजे कशामुळे ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंग वाढतं, कमी होतं किंवा वाढतं?
सर, पोल्युशन मुळे वाढतं, ट्रीज कटिंग.
ओके. Okay. Anyone? Okay. So let's stop your presentation.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next. Okay, thank you. Ruturaj Tambile. Ruturaj is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please proceed.
Screen is visible, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, sir. It is electric car. An electric car, battery electric car, all electric car is an automobile that is prepared by one or more electric motors using only electric started in battery compared to internal combustion engine vehicles. Advantages of e-car: no gas is required, savings, no emissions, safe to drive, cost effective, low maintenance, and battery life cost, and easy driving.
Hello, Ruturaj.
Hello, sir.
Have completed your presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, anyone has any question? From participant? Hello, Ruturaj. Hello, sir.
Hello, Ruturaj.
Have completed your presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, anyone has any question?
Hello, Ruturaj. I am audible, Ruturaj.
From participant? Hello, Ruturaj. Hello, sir.
Hello, Ruturaj.
Have completed your presentation?
Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Hello.
So, anyone have any question?
Hello, Ruturaj. I am audible, Ruturaj.
From participant?
Yes, madam.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So, Ruturaj,
Yes, sir.
so what are the advantages of electrical vehicles?
Advantages of electrical vehicles: safe to drive, reduce noise pollution, low maintenance.
Okay.
Hello,
And
Ruturaj.
what are the limitations of electrical vehicles? Ruturaj, have you got my question?
Yes, sir. Electricity isn't free. Longer recharge time. Battery replacement.
Okay. Okay, madam.
Yes, Ruturaj. Can you tell me how the e-vehicle affect our economy?
No, ma'am. I can.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We will take next.
Okay, next, Swami Yash.
Yash, present your poster.
Okay, yes, Swami.
Ma'am, visible screen?
Yes.
Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. First of all, my name is Jay Swami. I would like to start my poster presentation. My presentation topic is electrical vehicle. So we know in our country, fuel is very expensive, so that this electrical vehicle are more useful. Introduction of electrical vehicle is an electrical vehicle cars is powered by electrical motor rather than a gasoline engine. Electrical cars created less pollution as well as gasoline powered car. So they are environmental friendly alternatives of gasoline powered vehicle, especially in cities. So electrical car is the use electrical energy instead of fuel that will replace any cars in the future. So most of the car in the world still use fuel run itself that cause global warming. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. It use electrical car instead of fuel that making carbon dioxide, air and a pollution of nature. So
Hello, yes.
Your mic is off, yes.
Hello, yes.
sir.
Okay, so your presentation is over?
Yes, sir. Can I start?
Oh, okay, so from participant, you can ask your question. Hello, madam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can ask your question, madam.
Can you tell me, Yash, any slogan for this, your presentation or poster? Simple slogan in one sentence.
Environmental friendly product.
Okay.
Okay, so yes,
Yes, sir.
what is the effect of electrical vehicles on global warming? Is there any effects of electrical vehicles on global warming?
No, sir. No any effect.
Okay, no any effects. So what about the disposal of batteries? Yes, have you got my question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, once again tell me, what are the limitations of electrical vehicles?
There are battery replacement. And normally 2 seats are there in electrical vehicle and no longer recharge time. And electricity is not free. That's all.
What about cost?
Cost is very expensive compared to fuel cars.
Okay. 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 Next, Saurabh Honmane. Saurabh, am I audible?
Saurabh. Saurabh Honmane, are you there? If you are there, then present your poster. I have net issue, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, we will take next.
Okay. Next, Nehal Bakre.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so have you prepared your poster?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please continue.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Your screen. Okay, please wait. Just wait. Okay. Yeah, your screen is visible.
Sir, if you permit me, can I start the presentation?
Yeah, yes. Continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Snehal Bakre here on the occasion of Innovation Day for a poster presentation by taking the topic Innovation Application of Artificial Intelligence and presenting the digital classroom. First of all, we will see why digital classroom. As we all know, due to this pandemic situation, in online mode, student-teacher interaction is not possible. Also having less knowledge to handle digital platforms. According to recent survey, the result of the study shows that most people faces internet problems and having lack of knowledge to handle technology problems. Now discuss about what are the features of digital classroom. Making better education system, it is necessary for increasing interaction between teachers and students. Not only on online but also offline teaching learning facility is available. In that, we provide 3 LCD screen for the students who are joining online session, and while joining camera is must, and 1 LCD screen is provided for those who is asking doubt to teachers. Camera is provided for live streaming and recording the sessions who are absent during this session. Also, we see what are the advantage of digital classroom. As I told earlier, digital classroom is also available for online sessions and also for offline who are present in during session. Student can attend session or watch recorded video. One other, these are the content of digital classroom: camera for recording and streaming, 3 LCD screen, fans, chairs. Not only for online but also offline teaching learning education is possible, and one adding point is that due to its attractive looking, learning interest increases in students. Suppose company hire this project, they also demonstrate that how they are committed to support society to handling COVID related challenges. We see one video to get more idea regarding this. Due to this digital classroom, transparency, integrity, passion, and innovation, these are the several terms can show through the project. Thank you. Sir, my presentation is over. Please ask me questions.
Okay. So, Snail, have you registered for this events?
Sir, actually having some problems while...
Okay, because I'm not getting your name here. I'm not finding name here. That's why I'm asking. Please tell me your class.
Yes, Nehal,
Okay,
I will
so-
register your name.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so what is
Yes.
please tell me your roll number and class and
Sir,
departments.
roll number 8,
Okay,
and civil engineering final year student.
okay, B civil. Okay. So from participant, you may ask your question.
Yes, Nehal. What are the disadvantages of digital classroom?
Ma'am, by considering both advantages and by considering some disadvantages of now's classroom, I made this digital classroom. So, which are the problems or which are the disadvantages available nowadays? To improve this, I made this digital classroom. So, I don't think, ma'am, they're having some disadvantages.
Okay, so Snail, am I audible?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
you're
sir.
audible.
So, what will be the provision to store the recorded sessions?
Sir, there camera is available for recording the session as well as the live streaming to join the online sessions.
Okay. And recorded session will be where it will be recorded or stored?
Sir, there will be one LCD screen available like nowadays. We can see at Google Meet, many of the sessions are recorded in teacher's laptop where one LCD is available for the recording.
No. Where that recorded session will be stored? Means what is the provision to store the recorded classes?
Sir, as we now we use the like model, they will be made the people having their several model like platform, they can store their video
Okay. Means their own provision will be there.
on their own provisions. Sir.
Okay. Okay, Snehal. Next.
Thank you, sir, for your
Saurabh?
valuable time.
Oh,
Are you
okay.
ready, Saurabh Honmane?
Okay, next.
Okay, sir. Next.
Balaji Pawar.
Yes, Balaji, present your PPT, PowerPoint.
Yes, sir. Can I share in my screen?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. My screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes. Continue.
Okay. Hello, friends. Hello, sir. I am Balipa from SY Electrical student. Today's institution convention council, IIC National Digital Library of India and Electrical Engineering Student Association is organization online innovative ideas poster contest 2K22. My today's poster presentation topic is electrical vehicle, then new innovation of wireless charging technology in e-vehicle. First point, what is an electrical vehicle? The electrical vehicle car, it is an properly electric motors and uses of electrical energy stored in batteries. How does it then work? In a different question of the electrical vehicle. First point, how does it work? First point, controller
second battery, and third it is an electric motor. The controller gathers energy from the battery, and controller delivers the appropriate amount of the electrical energy to the motor. The electrical energy transfer from the mechanical energy, and even the turns in vehicle moves. Main components are used in the electrical vehicle. First one, it is the high voltage battery with control of battery regulation and chargers. Electric motor or generator, which is an electronic control of the power, economics and cooling system. Transmission, including in the differential, brake system, high voltage air condition in vehicle. Electric motor, transmission with a differential, power economics, power electronics, high voltage lines, high voltage batteries, cooling system, brake system, in different components are used in the electrical vehicle. One question are doubted in history of electrical vehicle. The first electrical vehicle are carried in 1830s. 1891, it is the first electric automobile was built in the United States. In 1908, Henry Ford introduced the model of top image in the electrical vehicle. And 2007, Tesla reducer in the all electric vehicle in button image. Types of electrical vehicle. Three types of electrical vehicle. First, it is an BEV, means battery electric vehicle. Next, it is the hybrid electrical vehicle. And last one point, it is the fuel cell electrical vehicle. First point, battery electric vehicle means a BEV runs entirely as a battery of an electric drivetrain, without internal and combustion of the engine. It is powered by the electricity from the external source. Next point, it is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. In PHEV runs mostly in a battery that is recharged by plugging into the power grid. It is also equipped with an internal combustion of the engine running as gasoline in diesel fuel. It can be recharged into the battery and replaced in the electric drive into the battery, and low and more power is required. And last one point, it is the hybrid electric vehicle. In HEV, it is a two complementary drive system. First one, it is a gasoline engine and fuel tank. The electric vehicle battery and controls to the engine of the motor can be simultaneously worked, which is an electrical vehicle. First one, HEV cannot be charged from the power grid. Next point, it is an infrastructure of the electrical vehicle. Charging station of the infrastructure. Then last one point, it is an speed of electrical vehicle. There are many types of speed in name of the high speed EV, automatic type of the EV in the electrical vehicle. Economy, reality and EV. It is an important, very important point of the economy will electrification in the electrical vehicle. Electrical vehicle emits zero emission of the point. Can be use of the carbon footprint of the electric vehicles. It is an approximately 30% of the battery can be conventional vehicles. Every when in the electrical vehicle electricity, it is an used produced to coal power station. Total cost of ownership means TCO will be become, it is an increasingly variable in the price of the fuel, rise in the different types of the influence in the TCO. Manufacturing EV, first in Ford, Spec, Tesla, Roadstar, GM, Chevy, Volta. It is in different types of company are manufacturing the electric cars. Next, benefit of the electric cars. Drive motors into an internally in can combustion with the engines to noise emission from the electric vehicles is very low and high speed. Rolling noise from the tires in the harmful emission greenhouse in the gas. Electric car battery. Different types of battery are used in the electric cars. First types of battery is lead acid, nickel hybrid, lithium ion, means ELI ion, lithium polymer. In different types of battery are used. Then one of the most higher power of the battery, lithium iron phosphate, are used in different types of electric vehicle. Some important battery terms. Specific attention of electric motors can be compared to the ordinary in the industrial. Application of the motors require high rate starts and stops, high rate of the acceleration, high torque speed in the climbing, low torque speed in the crushing. It is in different types of applications. Then last one point, it is in future. I think electricity will be created in a new world, that is an electric vehicle. Then innovation of the electric charger in wireless. Thank you so much. Hello.
Okay, Balaji, over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from participant.
May I?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How wireless charging system is better than wired charging system?
Wireless charging system and wired charging system. It is a different two types of charging system. It is an work with the charger in one man of the charging station. We will be required for the in any person in any charging station. That is the main type of the charging. And electric motors generate and transmission in different types of the charging stations. Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Balaji.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we drive the that electrical car in rainy season?
Yes, ma'am. It is an differently. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Rainy season car are drive. Yeah.
Hello, Balaji.
Yes, sir.
Your answer is over?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so tell me, which types of motor is preferred in electrical vehicles?
Sir, different types of motors are preferred in the electrical vehicle.
Okay. For example?
Then first one type, it is the various types of motor characterization plus commutator motors, DC motor drives, induction motor drives, permanent magnet brushes motor drives, switched reduced in the motoring drives. Different types of motor are electric vehicle used.
In electrical vehicle used. Okay, so which types of batteries are preferred in electrical vehicles?
This type of explain in the 4 types of battery are required in the electrical vehicle. First one it is the lead acid, next nickel metal hybrid, third one lithium ion, and last one it is the preferred for lithium iron phosphate, means LFP.
Okay, so have you know approximate cost of that batteries?
Yes, sir. It is definitely high, but it is an future of the engineering, and in future of the 2K30, it is a 90% roads are preferred in the electrical vehicle. And next type, it is a new innovation of the electrified roads. It is a new technology in the and new innovation. The time is the right of the for electric cars. In fact, the time it is an critical.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, thank you. Next, Saurabh Onmane.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, sir. Sorry for inconvenience. I'm facing the net issue, so I can't able to.
Okay. So please proceed.
Yes, sir. Just give me a moment. I will share my screen. Is it visible? Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So shall I proceed? Hello, sir.
Yes, proceed.
Okay, sir. So good afternoon all teachers and participants. My name is Saurabh Hunmani from last year electrical department, and today I'm going to present the paper presentation on the topic of smart solar tree. Basically, it's my project too, and I am converted into the presentation manner. So basically, we are going to look our future in electricity, the e-bikes, e-cars. We are converting all our daily household project into the electrical components and the gadgets. So we need electricity. Firstly, the basic rule is we need electricity for charging purpose or to the giving energy to the bikes and the EVs. So for this facility, we are using the thermal power plant, hydroelectric power plant. So in the thermal power plant, we facing the pollution issue, the global warming issues, and there are always something negative sides behind that. We have the positive sides too in the hydraulic power plant or else in the other power plant. But we are facing the global warming issues and the heat issues, thermal conditions. So I'm going to introduce you something new technology which were happening in India, in the USA, in the many countries accepted it. The smart solar tree. It is a structure of solar panels of like a tree. So it may be a movable to or a fixed construction structure. We can build it in the gardens or on the bank of roads, sides of the roads, so in the parks. So basically, it is a movable structure. We know the sunflower plant. It goes to east to west with facing the sun. So this is the structure we created it. That it follows the sun rays and it moves from east to west. So its advantages are firstly we will discuss its advantages. Firstly, it is eco-friendly, no pollution factor, no thermal issues, or no any global warmings. Second one is it is a free of cost. Sun, we have tremendous source of energy, that is the sun. We can generate up to 173,000 terawatts of energy daily from the sun, and it can be used, but we can't use it in the proper manner. It's just reflecting and just absorbed by the surface of Earth. So we can utilize it by help of the solar panel, and we know all the how does the solar panel works. It are the photovoltaic cells. It converts the heat energy into the electrical energy directly. So for that, we can use the inverters or the generators, and for the storing purpose, we can use the batteries, or we can connect directly to the supply whatever we want in the household or in the industrial purpose. So I added some of the pictures here. How does the solar tree looks like, and here is a major project we can install in the desert. We have it takes a large space for the installation, and looking to the disadvantages, it has something two to three disadvantages, like the initial cost. For installation this, we have to spend some more money rather than the daily the old one facilities, that is the something thermal power plant or the hydroelectric power plant. For that we have to spend some more money to installation it. But if we install at once, it's reusable. It don't has some many disadvantages. So the major drawback is installation cost, but it has the more positive impacts too. So we have to look it for the positively, and we have to go for the solar eco-friendly energy. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me chance to present. If you have question, please ask me.
So first of all, Saurabh,
Yes, sir.
so what are our themes of poster presentation?
Sorry, sir.
What are our themes of poster presentation? So you know what are the themes?
Sorry, sir. I didn't get your question.
What are the different themes for poster presentation, or simply topics for poster presentation?
It's about the e-vehicles, global warming, and the artificial intelligence.
Okay, so on which topics you are linked your presentation?
Basically, we have the topics of e-vehicles and the global warming issue. So for that,
okay, so you have combined the topics.
Global warming, and for the charging purpose of EVs, I put it into the presentation.
Means this is the combined presentation of EV and global warming.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from participant,
May I?
are you having any question? Yes, Avinash.
Yes, please.
According to I understand, whatever the surface area of the solar panel, according to that electricity is produced. So how smart solar tree is produce more energy as compared to the solar plates?
Okay, the smart solar tree, we can install it into the gardens. So for the purpose of the gardening or for the electrical purposes, the lighting and all the gadgets we install in the gardens, or we can situate it on the roadsides. We can generate electricity and directly connect to all the solar street lamps or the dams, so it can produce up to if we install 10 to 15 in the garden, it can be fulfill all the gadgets and applications of gardening. And if we can put it on the 15 to 10 feet along the road, it can cover the 10 to 15 feet of road lighting. And if we go for the EVs, there are Apple and I think Apple have installed this solar tree on the roof of the car. If we park into the parking lot, it can be open from the roof and start the charging of car.
Okay, so Saurabh.
Yes, sir.
What are the parts of solar tree?
Basically, solar tree has in the garden we can install the wooden structure of tree or the iron or steel structure of tree, and on that we can attach some movable motor for the following the sun path from east to west. We can attach the sensor to it, and on the branches of tree we can attach the solar panels.
Solar panels.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the cost of it?
It's something around, if we go for the mini structure for household purposes like our phone charging or laptop charging, it costs up to 20 to 25,000. And if we go for a major project, if we consider a house, it goes to 1 lakh or up to 1.50 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Okay. So is there any provision to store the electricity?
Yes,
In
we
your
can. Yes, we can store it into the batteries, or we can directly connect it to our appliances.
how we can connect that directly to our appliances?
We can use the inverters. I added it into the my presentation. We can add the inverters, and through it can be converted into. See, it is the DC supply. We generating DC supply. We can invert it into the AC supply, and we can use it.
Okay. Okay, anyone having any question?
Yes, Saurabh.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me detailed working of smart solar tree?
Detailed working of smart solar tree. Okay. Firstly, I said we can situate it in. It is a movable structure too, and the permanent structure too. The movable structure we can attach it into the EVs, that is the smart electrical cars. We can situate it on the roof of it. Firstly, second one, for gardens, we can situate it in the gardens, and it like tree has a basic work that it gives a shadow to us, so we can use it as a shadow, and plus it can give energy to it. So we can add their switches for there are people's come to jogging or something for relaxing indoor, so they can charge their phones to there. We can attach supply to it. Then the way I saw here the picture, we can use it as a lamp too. Here I added, so it gives lights to in the nights. We can use neon lights too for the hotel purposes. We can install on in front of hotels and use the neon lights. It looks like attractive or something advertising too. So, and on the street light, we can install it to 10 to 15 feet. It covers the 10 to 15% of road, 10 to 15 feet of road as a lighting.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Saurabh.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Next, Naikude.
Yes, sir.
So have you prepared?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so please continue.
Screen is visible. Hello.
Yes, Naikude.
Yes.
Good afternoon and all. My name is Naikude Nagendra Kumar Shivaji. Innovating idea poster constant to K22 on the organization of National Inauguration Day. Poster presentation in electrical vehicles. What is in electrical cars? Propelled by electrical motors, use an electrical energy stored in battery. How to do in work in electrical car are there are main three parts: controller, electrical motor. Screen is visible, sir. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
हाँ सर,
Hello.
स्क्रीन दिसते का?
Nagendra Kumar. No. Presently, it is. I think your screen is visible, but you are not opening there anything. Have you opened there?
Screen
Yes.
visible?
Yes. Your screen is visible. Continue.
Yes, sir. There are parts in three: controller, electrical motor, and battery. How does it work in electrical car? The controller gathers energy from the battery. Controller diverts the appropriate amount of electrical energy to the motor. Electrical energy transfer to mechanical energy. Wheels turn and vehicles in move. Economical advantages of electrical vehicles. You can drive up to 70 km according to the Turner United States Department of. Even for low fuel combustions car in Turkey, you can drive about 7 km maximum for in run gasoline. Rechargeable battery have a long useful life, low operation cost, reduced cost of wear and tear during routine maintenance. Economical advantages in e-vehicles. In a documentary by NASA, it is was estimated that 5 years operating cost for 13 lakhs 4,323 standard battery provided e-vehicles to around vehicle the uh, uh, operating cost of gasoline cars in 4,47,744 and economical benefits of electrical cars, less carbon emissions, no air pollutions, no fire hazards, less noise pollution, recyclable batteries, no disable problem, and environmental e-vehicles. According to the Electrical Vehicles Association of Canada, recharged from coal provided electrical generator cuts carbon emission roughly in half. And availability of advantages of electrical cars. Electricity is not source unlike gasoline, and external tools to make it possible to even charge at home. And disadvantages on electrical vehicles: high recharge time, limited service facilities, cost of vehicles, few models, and speed. If this is the future, I am not that worried. After driving an electrical car. Thank you, sir. Hello.
Okay, Nagendra Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so your presentation is over?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so from participant, anyone wish to ask a question? Okay, so no anyone interested to ask question. Nagendra Kumar,
Yes, sir.
so tell me the limitations of electrical vehicles.
Uh, mm, no idea, sir.
Okay. So for today's presentation, anyone remaining? Is anyone remaining to present?
Pallavi
I
Lokhandre.
think Pallavi already she is given presentation, madam.
Okay.
So the all participants, those who are joined are completed their presentation. Is anyone remaining? Okay, so I think, madam, all participant presentation is get completed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so can we stop here?
Okay, we stop here.
Okay, so once again, thank you very much for the participating in this event. Okay, so you may leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Your result will be okay. Please listen. Your result will be announced at madam. What is the timing? 3:30, na?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, it is.
It is.
Just wait. Okay, sir, 3:30.
3:30. So can we announce that result at 3 or as per schedule 3:30?
Sir, at 3 a.m. at 3 p.m. we declare.
Okay. Announce the result. Okay, so please participant, listen carefully. We are going to display or announce your result at 3 p.m. sharp. So please join to the given links. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.